DrUber or DrUber is an on-demand medical delivery system where patients can order medical items from drones which are located at medical institutions throughout the country. They can be hospitals, GPs, pharmacies, and the items they can order items like medication, defibrillator, or any emergency items. They can do that via the DrUber app, which you see over there. So registered users can order on demand, predefined one-click deliveries. They can do customized deliveries or any scheduled deliveries. Once the order is posted, the drone is dispatched and delivers in a direct and efficient way the item to the patient or his bystander. And in the background, so this is the foreground, in the background we have a routing and scheduling algorithm, and we have also our airborne simulator, which gives us the possibility to test operations 1,000 times more anywhere in the world, so that we can see what it means for flight time, for delivery time, for air and ground risk, and also flight restrictions, etc. The fundamental idea is to beat the ground-based deliveries so that the item can get to the patient as quickly as possible. And if you look at the defibrillator, it has to be applied within 6 to 8 minutes, which is sometimes the only possibility is to do it via drone. And the other fundamental idea here is to have people helping people, in a sense that over time we want to build up a network of pilots who are certified and trained and sign up to the network and do these deliveries. So it's really people helping people, one emergency flight at a time. Thank you.